your pillows can get really nasty, full of sweat stains, saliva stains, and even pee stains. And so in today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest and most effective way to clean your pillows with confidence. First things first, you always want to check the care tags on your pillows. They will provide essential cleaning instructions for your specific pillow type. And this will just help to avoid causing damage to your pillows during the washing and cleaning process. The next thing you want to do is you want to pre-treat any of the stains on the pillows with hydrogen peroxide. Now, as you can see, this pillow, you ain't got to look very hard. This pillow's covered in stains. So I'm just going to spray this entire pillow very, very liberally with a fresh hydrogen peroxide. This is just going to help to loosen up some of those stains before we stick it in the washing machine. So pre-treat it, let it sit for about 30 minutes before we move on to the next step. Now it's time to actually wash the pillow. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to put it in the washing machine. But make sure when you put it in the washing machine that you don't put it in there all by itself. Make sure you put 2 to 3 other pillows along with it to balance the load. Now your washing machine settings are very, very important. You want to set the machine to the bulky setting. On this machine, which is my washing machine, the bulky setting is actually called bedding. You also want to set it to cool water, and you want to add an extra rinse cycle to this load. The extra rinse cycle is just going to help to ensure that all the detergent gets washed out. Now you might ask yourself, what is the bulky setting? What's so special about bulky? Well, the bulky cycle is a cycle that is designed to wash big, bulky, heavy items like big jackets, comforters, blankets, pillows. It uses more water and it utilizes a longer soak time to ensure that all of the items are thoroughly entrenched with the detergent, and the detergent is equally distributed amongst all the items. It also incorporates a gentler spin cycle to thoroughly rinse out and get rid of all the detergent without damaging the fabric due to the weight of the heavier items. I also want to mention the laundry detergent that you use. Just any laundry detergent will do. It can be Tide, Gain. This is all, it doesn't really matter. The main thing you just want to be concerned about is just make sure that the laundry detergent contains no bleach. After the washing cycle is over and you put these in the dryer, make sure you give your pillows a good fluff. This will just prevent them from becoming lumpy and prevent the cotton or whatever is inside from balling up into clots. It just helps them maintain their shape. And then when you dry them, just dry them on a low heat. You can add you a couple tennis balls or a couple of dryer balls in there, and those dryer balls will help to beat out any excess moisture that is left over within the pillows themselves. Okay guys, so the pillow has finished drying, and overall, I'm pretty satisfied. The hydrogen peroxide did a pretty good job, but as you can see, there's still a little bit of overall yellowishness to it, and you can still see these little spots here. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this process again. I'm going to wash and dry it again, but I'm going to bump it up to a level 2 cleaning. And it's good you are getting to see this. Here's the level 2 cleaning. You want to use this stuff. This is called OxiClean. It's just a regular old stain remover. We're going to spray our stains, soak it for 30 minutes, and wash it again. So there you have it, my friends. That's how to clean your pillows. That is the fast, effective way to wash them. If you found the video valuable, give it a big Clean with Confidence thumbs up. It really helps me out. Until next time, I will see y'all in the next video.